Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel, wag mong kakalimutang mag-subscribe at i-hit ang notification bell para updated ka sa ating mga latest uploads. So in this video, ang pag-aaralan naman natin ay under pa din ng Grade 10 Mathematics 3rd Quarter Permutation. So to be more specific, we will try to solve mga problems regarding or involving permutations. Okay. So na-discuss ko na sa inyo last time yung formula ng permutation, paano siya na-derive or saang concept ba siya nanggaling, and yung fundamental counting principle. Okay. So in this particular problem, we are asked to find how many three-letter words can we have using the English alphabet if repetition of letter is allowed. Okay, so always remember that whenever we solve problems, kailangan i-identify muna natin, himay-himayin muna natin kung ano nga ba yung tinatanong at kung ano yung given sa problem. So, ang tinatanong, how many three-letter words can we have? Gamit yung English alphabet. So, if repetition of letter is allowed, so pwedeng maulit yung letter. Okay. In this particular problem, i-consider natin yung mga three-letter na, let's say for example, ayan. Consider muna natin sila this time as a word. O kaya, passage, ayan. Passage. Or, shock, ganun. So, consider natin itong mga three letters na to, yung mga three letters na yan, as a word in this particular problem. Okay. So, and then, after that, since yun nga, three letters, we have to take note of the three-letter words and how many three-letter words, and then using English alphabet. So, ilang alphabet ba meron sa, ilang letters ba meron sa English alphabet? So, we have 26 letters. 28 siya kung Filipino alphabet kasi meron tayong Enya and NG, but unfortunately, sa ating English alphabet, meron lang tayong 26 letters kasi wala tayong Enya and NG. Okay, so how many three-letter words? Okay, and then, you also have to take note of repetition of letter is allowed. So, pwedeng maulit yung letter. Okay, in fundamental counting principle, ang ginagawa lang natin dyan, if you still remember, maglalagay tayo dito ng, since three-letter word siya, so we have 1, 2, 3, yung first letter, second letter, and then third letter. Then afterwards, ilalagay lang natin ilang letter ang possible na ilagay natin dun sa first letter. 26. Very good. How about dun sa second letter? Since pwedeng maulit yung letter natin, we still have 26. Since pwedeng maulit pa din siya yung letters natin, we still have 26. So that's 26 times 26 times 26. Oh, so that's simply 26 cube, which is equal to 17,576 three-letter words. Ayan. Sagot natin ay 7,576. So, yung next problem natin, how many three-letter words can we have using the English alphabet pa din, but you also need to take note that repetition of letter is not allowed. So, hindi na pwedeng maulit yung letter. Let's say, for example, hindi na natin pwedeng i-consider si A. Hindi siya counted kasi naulit yung letter niya. Si ABA, hindi rin siya pwede. Hindi siya counted. Or si ZA, ayan. Za, or Aba. Hindi na sila pwedeng isama kasi nga may naulit sa kanilang letter. So, what are we going to do is using fundamental counting principle, lalagay lang ako ulit dito ng tatlo. So, first letter, second letter, third letter. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So, sa first letter natin ng word, ilan ang letter na pwede nating iselect? We have 20. We have 26. Since nagamit na natin yung isang letter dun sa unang letter ng word, ilang letter na lang pwede nating iselect? So, we have 25 and then followed by 24. So, that's simply 26 times 25 times 24. That will give us 15,600. Okay. So ngayon, try naman natin yung formula ng permutation. Kasi kung papansinin nyo, it is a permutation kasi gumagamit tayo ng factorial. So, pwede natin gamitin yung NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So, yung n natin, yung letter ng English alphabet, we have 26 factorial divided by 26 minus yung r natin is 3 factorial. So, we have 26 factorial divided by 26 minus 3 is 23 factorial. Alisin ko na yung parenthesis. 23 factorial. So, that will give us 26 times 25 times 24 times 23 factorial. Stop ako dun. Divided by 23 factorial. So, cancel lang natin yon. So, lagi ko na lang dito yung sagot. So, simply lang, para din siyang 26 times 25 times 24. So, the answer is still 15,600. So, same lang siya dito. Okay. So, ako hindi ko masyadong ginagamit tong formula ng permutation kasi mas gusto kong gamitin yung fundamental counting principle, which is this one. So, 15,600. So, another problem. In a game, wait lang ha. So, in a game, a code made using different numbers is created by one player, the code maker. And the other player, the code breaker, tries to guess the code. The code maker gives hints about whether the numbers are correct and in the right position. Suppose that the possible numbers are 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, and 9. How many 4-digit code can be made if the numbers cannot be repeated? Okay, so ang tanong natin dito, ilang possible numbers daw, ilang possible na code, 4-digit code, ang pwede nating mabuo kung meron tayong numbers na 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, and 9. Okay. So, you have to yung unang problem, inexplain lang dito na meron daw merong isang game, in a game, merong isang code na bubuin yung code maker, nahuhulaan naman ng code breaker. Okay, so every guess ng code breaker, nagbibigay ng hint yung code maker whether yung numbers ay tama or kung tama yung position ng mga numbers. Suppose daw, meron daw tayong numbers na 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, and 9. So, given na yun lang yung mga numbers na pwedeng masama sa 4-digit code. Ang tanong, how many 4-digit code can be made if the numbers cannot be repeated? Again, numbers cannot be repeated. That means we can use the formula for permutation. So, we have n PR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So, yung n factorial natin, ilan yung ating numbers? So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, we have 6 factorial divided by 6 minus ilang digit? 4 digit. So, we have 4 factorial. That will give us 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 4 is 2 factorial. So, basically, hinto tayo kay 2 factorial. 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. And then, cancel natin si 2 factorial. 6 times 5 is 30 times 4 is 120 times 3 is 6 times 5 is 120 times 3 is 360. So, meron tayong 360 4-digit codes. Okay, so gamit naman yung fundamental counting principle, maglalagay lang tayo dito ng, since 4 na digit yon, so ako ito lang talaga yung ginagamit ko. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. First digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit. Sa first digit, ilang letters ang pwede nating iselect? 6. Second digit, we have 5. Third digit, we have 4. And last digit, we have 3. So, 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 is simply 360. So, same pa din naman sila. Another problem. A club of 9 people wants to choose a board of 3 officers. So, yung club daw na merong 9 na tao or 9 na members, pipili sila ng officers, isang president, isang vice president, and secretary. So, how many ways are there to choose the board from the 9 people? So, always remember na order dito ay importante because kapag nagkapalit na yung mga tao, ibig sabihin, iba na yung position ng mga officers. Okay, so pwede natin gamitin si permutation. So, lagay natin dito is president, vice president, secretary. Ayan. Okay. So, sa president, ilang people yung pwede nating iselect? So, we have 9. Sa vice president, kung yung isa naging president na, hindi na siya pwedeng maging vice president. So, 8 na lang isa-select natin. Kung yung isa naging, out of 9 people, yung isa naging president na, yung isa naging vice president na, ilan na lang ang pwedeng maging secretary? We only have 7. So, that will give us 9 times 8 times 7, which is equal to 504. Okay, try naman natin ngayon yung NPR na formula. NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So, yung n natin, yung number ng tao. So, ilan sila? 9. Divided by, ilan yung n natin? So, we have 9. Ilan yung pwesto na pagpupunuin nung mga kailangan punuin? So, we have 3. Kasi president, vice president, and secretary. So, we have 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 3 is equal to 6 factorial. So, sa 6 factorial tayo mag-i-stop. So, we have 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial. So, cancel na lang yon. That will give us 9 times 8 times 7 which is equal to 504. So, same pa din yung sagot natin. So, ako, ito lang talaga yung ginagamit ko. I'm not using this. It's up to you kung ano yung gusto nyo gamitin. Okay, next. In how many ways can you arrange the 4 glasses of different fruit juices in a row? Again, 4 glasses pero magkakaiba yung juice na i-arrange natin. So, gawin lang natin 1, 2, 3, 4. So, unang in a row lang 2, 3, and 4. So, yung first juice, ilan yung pwede nating i-select? 4. Second juice, 3. Third juice, 2. And the last juice, 1. So, that will give us 4 times 3, which is 12 times 2 is 24 times 1 is 24. So, we have 24 ways. Pwede naman din natin gamitin yung NPR. So, n factorial divided by n minus r factorial, which is equal to n is what? 4. Kasi 4 yung juice. 4 minus yung r natin, ilan yung pwestong bubunuin? 2, 3, 4. So, we have 4 also, factorial, which is equal to 4 factorial divided by 0 factorial because 4 minus 4 is 0. So, alam natin na ang 0 factorial is simply equal to 1. So, that will give us 4 factorial over 1 or 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 1 which is equal to 24 pa din. Ayan. Next, find the number of permutations of the word dad. Okay, so in this case, alam natin na ang dad ay merong magkamukhang letter, yung D. So kapag pinagbaligtad ko tong dalawa na to, still, it will be spelled as dad. So it will still be read as dad. So this is distinguishable permutation. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong mga tinatawag na non-distinct or hindi natin i-separate kung ano yung dalawa na yan dahil parehas silang letter D. Okay. So, distinguishable permutations yung gagamitin natin dito. So, paano yun? Sabi natin last time, doon sa ating illustrations of permutations, kapag merong magkamukhang letters, tapos sa isang ina-arrange natin in a row, so all we have to do is to simply what? Get the permutation, so NPR, get the permutation of the first nung 3-letter word natin divided by yung distinguishable permutation natin. Kung ano yung mga naulit na letter. H factorial, K factorial, Y factorial, etc. Okay. So, since we have 3-letter, we are selecting 3P3 over ilang letter yung naulit. Isa, letter D. Tapos, ilang beses siyang naulit? Dalawa. So, 2 factorial. So, 3P3 is just simply 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Which is, that will give us 3 times 2 factorial, 2 factorial, cancel lang natin yon. Ang sagot natin ay 3. So, basically, ang mga tatlong letter na yon ay dad, add, or da. Ayan. Okay, so next problem na tayo. So, dito naman, circular permutations naman. In how many ways can you arrange the 3 persons sitting in a circular table? Kung papansin ninyo, yung circular, let's say for example, ito yung person A, person B, and person C. Kung i-arrange ko siya ng ganito, A, B, C, tapos lalagay ko dito si B, lalagay ko dito si B, lalagay ko dito si C, lalagay ko dito si A, same lang tong dalawa na to. Same lang sila. Kasi pag inikot mo yan, pag inikot mo to, babalik lang siya ulit dito. So, in circular permutations, para ka lang nag-a-arrange ng yung isang tao, fix mo siya sa isang pwesto, i-fix mo yung isang tao sa pwesto, tapos pagpapalit-palitin mo lang yung mga natira. So, that means, ang formula lang natin dyan ay, instead na 3 factorial, kasi tatlo sila, 2 factorial na lang kasi dalawang tao na lang pinagpapalit natin. So, ang answer natin dito ay 2 factorial, which is equal to 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. Or simply, ang formula natin sa circular permutation ay NPR. In circular permutation, we have n minus 1 factorial. So, that will give us, since 3 yun, 3 minus 1 factorial, which is 3 minus 1 is 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2 times 1 will give us 2. So, same lang din sila. So, for your activity, you can try to pause. You can pause the video for a while and then i-comment nyo doon sa ating comment section yung inyong mga sagot sa mga problem na to. Ayan, yung mga problem na yan. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching.